Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I decided to make a unedited video around the rear fog lights of an F80 M3 or an M4. So typically with the M series on the F80, it doesn't have the rear or front fog lights. So I decided to make my own fog light, or at least enable it. I know there's a couple of videos on the internet that shows you how to do this coding wise and how to shave the buttons on the side, the blanks here on the side, so that you can press it. But I decided to want to get an actual button that actually has a logo and everything on it. I was able to source this from China for about $15, because if I were to buy the entire assembly, this would cost me about $70 used and probably $150 brand new, and I have to be at least bought it and ship it from Europe, so the wait time's a little bit longer. So I decided to just buy one from China actually, and plastic is plastic, right? It's pretty cheap, but it only cost me $15. It took me 2 weeks to get this, a little bit long, but I got it. Once you get this, the only way to get into this unit to disassemble it, you first have to get this removed, right? So the top vent has to be removed. So you lift up and you pull out. So I already disassembled this, so it's a little bit easier for everyone to see. But once you lift it up and you pull it out, it exposed the hole. So inside the hole, there's two clips that holds the headlight, control assembly here, and you just push this down and pull out. So push down and pull out. So once you pull out, there's a cable underneath here. Detach this, disconnect the cable, and you should be able to get this to work. I'm going to, let's see if we can do this with one hand here. So once you disconnect this, you are now able to remove the entire plastic unit. So for you to get in the back here and remove this button, you need to remove this cover. So on each side of the cover, there's this little clip that holds these in place. You can lift it up on both sides here. Lift this area up, lift this area up, and lift these two area up, and the plastic will pop out. Once the plastic pop out, you can go to the rear of the button. You push on it, just some slight pressure. You push on it, and the buttons pop out to the front. And you just pop in the new button replacement and put everything back together, reconnect it, and then or at least code the car. I use Beamer code, so I was able to code the car in here. It's pretty straightforward. Let me reconnect this together, show you how this looks like, since I've already done the coding, already done the connection for you. Okay, so everything is reassembled back into where it was. Button works, direct fitment, so it's perfect. It looks like a stock button, so you wouldn't even know the difference. I'll provide the link below in terms of where you want to get it at. So instead of paying $70 or more on this entire assembly, you can just buy this button for $15, shipping included to the US. So I'm going to turn this on really quick and I'll show you what this looks like. So the car's on. All right, see the lights come on, and once I press the rear fog light button, there it comes on, it comes off, on, off, on, off. I'll show you what this looks like in the rear. Okay, so I'm stepped outside. I'm gonna turn on the rear fog light. It's on. You can see the indicator that's on. And let's go to the back of the car. There it is. You can quickly see it. That's the rear fog light on the left and on the right. Go ahead and turn it off. It's off. Rear's off, and it's off. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.